Guys, if you haven't heard about PIKA, let me tell you about this a little bit today. It is a coin that went live about half a year ago, had their peak at around $70 million on market cap, since then went down a little, but that is because of the current market conditions. Anything gaming related grew by quite a lot over the past month, like PIKA alone is up by almost 30%. You have the option to stake the token on their website, where you get, I think, up until 80% in APY for a 1-year stake. They're already listed on 2 of the biggest exchanges out there, on MaxC and BitChat, and also have the option to trade the token in your MetaMask on Uniswap. Over the past few months, since the initial pre-sale and launch of the token, they had a lot of funding and they've been working on this project every single day since then. The team behind it is fully doxed. We can see exactly what they're doing, and they keep people updated as they are the most transparent game out there. When most other games don't really tell you what they're working on and it takes a long time until we can see any type of update, they might release a video like once every few months. For example, a game I would like to play in the future is called Ashes of Creation, a normal MMORPG for a Web 2 game. They have been working on that for like 11 years and people are still waiting for things to happen. In here with PIKA, over the past 6 months, they had so many different updates and getting closer and closer to their official launch. And while they say the game will be AAA, with the amount of work they put in and the way it looks, the way the gameplay sounds like, I can see that happening. At the moment though, the price and the market cap does not reflect a AAA game. If we look at other games on CoinMarketCap, for example, some of the top games in here will be Axie or Illuvium. Illuvium is out for I think 2 months now, and this isn't that fun to play. They don't manage the economy correctly. This isn't that fun. However, last bull run, this peaked at I think 1.8 billion. Okay, 1.2 billion, but still over $1 billion. And right now we are sitting at 180 million. That would be a clean 25x for PIKA from the current price. Now, I don't tell you what to do with your money, but personally, when I see huge potential gains, I either look into AI-focused things. As we trade narratives, we look into upcoming meme coins that have that potential, or we look into established games that put in the work where the price doesn't reflect the quality of the project yet. Now, I won't make the video too long. I will leave links down below so you can check this one out for yourself. All I can say is, in case you looked into gaming and you've seen like the top 20 or top 50 in the gaming category, while most things go up over a 1-month time frame, they might be down over the past week. Over the past month, everything is up by like 20 to 60%. PIKA is up by 20-something% over the past month, and the dip isn't that hot. Most projects dip by like 15 to 20% over the past week, and PIKA is up by 7%. Even if we just take the last day and we are down by 7%, that still leaves us at 27% gains. At less than $10 million, this is one of those hidden gems that you might have seen before a few months ago, but people stopped talking about as they jump from one thing to the next to another, constantly trying to chase the next new thing instead of being focused on solid tokens and projects with a strong team behind it. If you check out their website, they have all their social links up here in the top right, and for that, make sure to watch some of the YouTube videos as they have a documentary behind it. They have multiple like 45-minute calls where you can see the team talking about the future vision, what they accomplished a week, and more updates in order to follow this one along. For 2025, this is one of the most promising games, personally. And if you decide to get the token and to click on Buy PIKA, you also see that within the PIKA hub, there are lots of different things available, like the overview, play games, marketplace, leaderboard, and also staking. And staking gives you quite a lot. For example, if you stake for 3 months, you get, I think, 17%. At 12 months, you get something like 70%. It is insane. So try to imagine, if you were to buy the token and it does like a 10x from here to $70 million in market cap, and you put in like $500, then your $500 turn into $5,000. That's a lot of gains. Always manage your own risk, but for me, this one is one of the safer bets long term. Not financial advice, but I will see you fairly soon when we cover more gaming content, notes, memes, whatever I feel like on that day. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I see you soon.